Hey guys, it's Cal here. My wife is out of town for the weekend and I've been left unattended. Let's dye my goatee. Hey guys, you might remember a few weeks ago I used Just for Men on my goatee, hoping to put a couple of streaks in it. Why? I don't know. Why not? It did what it was supposed to do, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. So today, I stopped by the drugstore and picked up this. Do I know anything about it? Nope. Have I ever used anything like this before? Nope. But let's find out. My goatee is really curly, so I'm using the straightener so that I can get a cleaner, crisper streaks in it. Now, mind you, this thing gets extremely hot, so I am going very quickly through it. So, it's been in there for about 15 minutes. And then what the instructions say to do is to rinse this out with just water, kind of pat it, get the excess water out of it, and then apply whatever the hell this stuff is for 2 minutes. So take off my mic, throw my head under the tap. They say to use the gloves that came with it. And by the way, if you've ever been around your wives, your girlfriends using this stuff, holy crap, the stink, the chemical, like, it just roasts the 3 remaining brain cells I have left. So it's, wow, it's kind of rough on the eyes. I can't imagine doing a full head of it. So anyway, we're going to give this a quick rinse out. Put this bonding, whatever the hell stuff is in it, give it 2 minutes, and then let's see what the hell we end up with. Stay tuned. So, let's see what we ended up with. Again, not what I was expecting. Definitely more blonde in it this time than it was last time. Definitely not as stark as I was expecting. I was going to go for something like that, and I guess I didn't do it right, but either way, will she notice it? I don't know. No idea. Okay, so I decided to reread the instructions and go back and apply that concoction again. Saturate more thoroughly and let it stay in there a little bit longer. Probably not the best idea I've ever had. Probably not good for your hair. Burns a little bit, so definitely not good for your skin, but this still not as extreme as I wanted, but at least it's something more than what I was seeing previously. So I don't know exactly what color that is. So I was really hoping for not white, but definitely much like a really real pale blonde. And then with this little bit darker strip in here. But I can live with this. This is okay. So, anyway, until next time, guys, thanks again for watching me make an ass of myself. You guys take care. Bye-bye.